What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to remove Yahoo search from Chrome and laptop. Okay, so what you want to do is once you're on the Yahoo page, okay, go to the three dots up here, hit the three dots, and then go to settings, okay, and then you want to go to search engine, okay, search engine, okay, and then go to manage search engines and sites search, okay, click that. Okay, once you're here, you want to go to Google. And I'm just going to make this one my default just as an example. So make that my default. Okay. And then you want to go to Yahoo right here and then just delete it. Are you sure you want to delete the search engine? Yes, delete. And then that's it. And then it's gone. So when you go home, there it is. Okay. And that's it, guys. How to remove Yahoo search from Chrome and laptop. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.